How to find and sync contacts on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application. Then, log in to your preferred account. Go to the menu bar. From your top right corner, scroll down and then go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. Now go to Account Center. Go to Your Information and Permission. Then go to Upload Contacts. Now select your Facebook account. Enable this Upload Contact button. And now all you have to do is turn on Find Friends, and that's it. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.